Surprise!
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 Happy, happy birthday! Sa'yo ang chicharon, sa'yo ang portos. Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y madalhan mo kami! Happy birthday, Albert! We love you!
Birthdays to come!
Sana more blessings,
More apo!
more blessings, good health, and one time sana magkasama-sama tayo para makonsumi ka sa amin. Paminsan-minsan kailangan makonsumi ka rin, ha? Diba? Diba? We love you, Albert.
Love you.
Thank you for being a good son to our friend. You are a blessing.
Thank you.
Okay, God bless.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Albert. Sana maging mas masaya ang celebration mo ngayon yan sa Pinas. Medyo matagal ka na rin hindi nakapag-birthday dyan. Wish ko sa iyo, siyempre, best of health. And enjoy lang kayo sa bakasyon dyan. And sana makapag-banding ulit tayo. We miss you all and see you all soon.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. More good health and more troubles to come. We love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Albert!
Hi, Kuya Albert! Happy birthday! Happy 58th birthday! Wow! 58 ka na pala. Kala ko naman 57 ka pa lang. Anyway, kidding aside, di ba sabi mo nga, kailan kaya nila ako surprise? Well, it's your turn. It's your turn to be surprised and you truly deserve it. So, ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, ikaw yung talagang pinaka-astig. Kasi you're funny, mabait, masipag, syempre, pogi. Talented sa lahat ng bagay. Traveler, hiker, ano pa ba, master chef, comedian, singer, at syempre, DI sa line dance. Hindi lang yan, you're the best husband, son, brother, friend, at syempre, super lolo kay Kylo. Sana nag-enjoy ka dyan sa surprise party mo sa Bulacan. Kahit na wala kami, we are there in spirit. Kuya Albert, keep traveling, keep hiking, keep singing, dancing, cooking, and most of all, keep spreading the love and happiness to the people around you. Dahil iba ka talaga. Makamandag ka at walang tatalo sa'yo. Enjoy your special day. Enjoy to the fullest. We love you, Kuya Albert. Happy celebration and happy birthday again. God bless you. Mwah.
Hello! Happy 50th birthday, Albert! Sana ay masurpresa ka. At sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na tulad nito. God bless you more. And stay safe. Enjoy your special day. Shout out sa mga Tagalungos at sa mga relatives natin dyan. Sana ay mabusog kayo ni Albert. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you more. Bye.
Hi Albert. Kumusta ang bakasyon? Kala mo kayo lagi nag-surprise. Kami din. Kala nyo nung pagpunta nyo dito, may plano na kami sa'yo. Kaya, happy birthday and more blessings to come. Good health, long life. Ingat kayo, enjoy your day. Love you. Kamusta sa inyong lahat dyan, mga bisita mo. Miss you all. Kita-kita ulit tayo. May awa ang Diyos. Kakauwi rin ako. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tito Albert. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Albert from London. We miss you so much. We even made you a cake. We can't wait to see you soon in Mexico. Bye. Love you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Albert.
Have a terrific year of adventure and good health, and always stay young at heart.
Happy birthday, Uncle Albert.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Albert. May you have a blessed day. And may God's blessings be upon you.
No, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tinulong niyo po sa akin. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan nila Ninang Roda, Adriel, lahat po kayo. God bless po. Kasi happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday. Very proud of how far we've come with life. Just like how far I'm going to hit this ball. Watch this.
Hi Dad, maligayang kaarawan. Isang malaking pasasalamat ang nais kong iparating sa iyo sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pagsusumikap mo para sa aming pamilya. Dahil sa iyong hirap at tayiga, natamo namin ang Amerikanong pangarap na ngayon ay ating tinatamasa. Salamat sa pagdadala sa amin sa Amerika noong 2005 at sa walang sawang pagpakita ng malasakit at pagmamahal. Ngayon, habang ikaw ay nagbabakasyon sa Pilipinas, sana mag-enjoy ka at magpahinga ng buo. Sana maging puno ng kaligayahan at magandang alaala ang iyong espesyal na araw. Patuloy kang pagpapalain ng Diyos sa iyong buhay at sa lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na dadating pa. Mahal na mahal ka namin pa. Huwag mong kalimutan na ikaw ang aming inspirasyon at aming guro sa buhay. Maligayang kaarawan at maraming salamat. See you.
Hoy, Philippines! Hoy, Philippines! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Woo! Say happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
We love you. We hope you are having a great time in the Philippines, and I hope that you were surprised and no one gave it away. You are so special. We are so grateful to have you in our lives, and you are the best dad in the world, and you deserve everything and more.
Love you, Dad. Thanks for being the coolest, funnest father-in-law. And Lolo, we miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Say love you.
Love you.
Can you wave?
Say bye.
Yay.
Say bye. Yay.
What's up, Dad? I'm at school right now, but I want to take the moment to wish you happy birthday, and I hope today is filled with love, laughter, and all the other things that make you happy. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for your advice, and just always being there for me, no matter what I'm going through, and I really appreciate you for that. I'm so grateful and thankful to have you in my life. Enjoy your special day, and I can't wait to see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday! I hope you're enjoying your vacation, Kuya. Kala mo ikaw lang may paandar dyan, ha? So, meron din kami surprise. So, well, ano bang wish ko? I wish you all the best in life. I wish you, of course, health, peace, everything that life can give you, really. I'm glad God has truly blessed me with a cousin like you. You're always there for me. Lalim ng pinagsamahan natin nila ate dito, you know, the Ate Roda. But, you know, it's good to know that I have you here. Takbuhan ko kahit malayo, diba? Anyway, I wish you the best. Happy birthday. And, well, until the next surprises, I love you, Kuya. Bye.
Another year, another birthday. To my ex-roommate, punching bag, Kuya Albert, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday and see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tito Albert. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from London. We miss you so much. We even made a cake. 3, 2, 1, make a wish. Make a wish. Ooh, yeah. We miss you. See you in Mexico.
Na naman na-enjoy mo yung lahat na surprise greetings. You deserve it, Dad. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng love and sacrifice sa binigay mo sa amin. We wouldn't be living the life that we have right now if it wasn't for you. Ang pinaka-coolest dad and coolest lolo. Right, Kylo? Bata ako, dati natin sinasabi masaya ka. So, sana yung party mo na masaya ka. I love you. Salamat sa lahat po naka-join dyan sa Pilipinas para mag-celebrate with my dad. Hopefully, we can all visit you guys soon.